decided I want to do a couple of quick hitting informational things. And what I have in front of me here is an apple. It's a Honeycrisp, and it's about to bloom. And why is that significant? Because right just after flowering, or right around flowering, is the time you want to start spraying apples and fruit trees if you're so inclined, particularly to prevent fungus disease problems. Most of our diseases on plants are fungus. There are viruses, there are some bacteria, but fungus is the biggest problem. When you see a rust spot or a hole in a leaf oftentimes, or an irregular brown patch on a leaf, that typically indicates as a fungus. By the time you see that spot, you're probably too late to spray to change that. You can prevent further fungus attack by spraying. Things to keep in mind: try and spray on a clear day. Rotate your fungicides. So if you use something labeled for a leaf spot, possibly change it up every so often. You're actually confusing the fungus. And you need to repeat. So you need to go probably every 10 days or so, 14 days, to prevent fungus. Once you have those spots on the leaves, they're not going away. So bud break, typically the time you start spraying. Please read about different diseases, read about application and what to use for what, but this is about the time you'd start looking for disease problems.